This is the Homestead Adventure Kid, the 16th of April, 2018. No school, almost 27 inches in 2 days of snow. So she's making her time worth something today, having some fun. Just look. Ruby, what do you think about all this snow? Good. Good? Not in the springtime, right? Just to give you guys some idea how much snow we got. You can look at the vehicles here. Our propane tank is even covered, isn't it? My greenhouse over there has foots of drifts, right, Ruby? So we need to go check them goats to see if we got babies. We bred them babies late so we'd have warm weather, and now look it. Yeah. We got Alaska in January in central Wisconsin, don't we? Yeah. All right. Do you have anything to say to the folks about this weather?
Well, if you have this weather, and if you have slides and you have a lot of snow, then you should make some hills and slide down them.
Slide down them. Some homestead fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you might as well make the best of a bad situation, right?
If you have a lot of snow like this, it'll give you exercise and run through it.
Yeah, exercise is healthy for kids, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, we better go check on them goats, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you want to sign off?
Sign off. Ruby Homestead Adventure Kid.